Hello, good morning everyone. Kumusta? Kumusta ang Holy Week natin? Uh, so, I would like to to share with you a gift from my Suki cooperative na ilang years na. Ilang years na ako naging member, and also celebrating sila for ilang years na ba? It was started like 1996. Mm-mm. Um, we will open this one. We're going to open this gift. So, ang content natin ngayon is about debt. About utang. Okay? So, wow. Connect with you. Wow. Eco-friendly. Wow, nice. Oh, nice. So, it's a tumbler made from bamboo. Oh, love it. And also, ganahan ko. Pag negosyante man gud ka, kailangan meron kang notes, no? Para clear ang expectation mo for the whole day. Thank you so much. Salamat. Love it. So, gaano ka-importante ang utang sa negosyo? By the way, ako nga pala si Rosely Dagsa, isang entrepreneur for 19 years. So, I have main experience na. Ako ay isang entrepreneur. I had read a post, sorry I had read a post na 2 years pa daw siyang entrepreneur pero ang dami na daw niyang naipon. Which is good, nice. So far, I am 19 years in entrepreneur, pero marami na rin akong naipon. Naipon na experience, no? Grabe na ang experience ko. So, for 19 years, I would like to share kung gaano ka-importante ang utang sa negosyo. So, very important kasi dalawang klase ang debt. It's a good and a bad. Okay? Depende sa pagdala at pagdisiplina mo. So, for example, no, um, 50-50 na disgrasya. So, kailangan mangutang. Kung walang pera, kailangan mangutang para ma-save ang isang life. So, that's a good debt. Kasi, ma-save yung isang life. Pag na-save mo na, may opportunity na mabayaran yung utang. But, sa negosyo, it's a bad and good kung nagagamit mo ito sa tama. Right? So, anong ibig sabihin if nagagamit mo to sa tama? Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin yan, nabalansi mo. Pinag-aaralan mo talaga kung paano mo siya nagamit. So, anong gawin mo? You have to i-compute mo the service charge, the interest, and other mga, you have to compute if saan mo siya gagamitin. For example, makinarias. Or for example, you have to invest additional asset, additional investment. For example, mangungutang ka for 1.5 million, then you have to invest for a resort. Okay? So, pag-aralan mo yan, dapat meron siyang business plan. Business plan, business planning, financial planning, kung balanse ba siya or makuha mo ba siya. Kasi kung wala siyang study and analysis, magiging bad debt. So, ang pinaka-importante diyan is ang disiplina and focus. Okay? So, overall, hindi masama mangutang kung additional asset ito sa negosyo. 'Di ba? By the way, um, I am also a consultant for our company. It's a DMCF consultancy. So we are offering our services, mm, business registration, lahat-lahat ng registration, um, tax compliances, accounting services, what else? Real estate services, because we are also processing for yung about properties, kung meron kang nabili ng properties, um, we also accept services for kung meron kang namana sa mga meron kang naman ng lupa na hindi pa nabayaran or hindi pa na-transfer sa inyong pangalan, pwede meron tayong state tax amnesty, no? So ang deadline yan is for April 2024. So hopefully sayang yan para ma-transfer sa inyong name with amnesty. Pwede nyo akong i-message or you can visit our office in Barangay 9, Dapa, Siargao Island para ma-discuss natin or mapag-usapan natin kung anong gawin. Kasi sayang ang amnesty. Mahal pa naman yung state tax na babayaran mo pag walang amnesty. Pag hindi mo yan nabayaran, possible, merong mga penalties and charges, civil and criminal charges ba? Or, yun ba? Basta, napaka-importante ang state tax kasi mahal yan ang babayaran. It's unequal. Parang same with capital gain tax, no? Plus, mag-penalty pa. So, habang meron pa tayong tax amnesty, gorables na yung namana nyo sa mga lola or parents, no? And also, we have our other business like Isla Haruhay. We are offering our promo rates for our rooms and tours and catering services, and also we have our Dagsa Dry Goods Store. Promo namin like ito, mga blouses, mura lang, comfortable, and ano, elegant na siya tingnan sa halagang 250 pesos lang. And we have also plasticware, we have appliances. So visit our store in Barangay 9, Dapa, Siargao Island, and we would be happy to serve you. So that would be all today, and thank you so much, and hoping na we can reflect in this Holy Week 2024. So thank you so much and have a nice day.